Every year, 14 million people around the world are diagnosed with cancer.
More than 8 million people die of cancer each year. In Indonesia,
breast cancer is the leading cause of female cancer-related deaths.
We all have the power
to reduce the impact of cancer.
Together we stand.
Together we stand.
I am Puspa Dewi.
I am Maya.
I'm Denise. I'm a survivor. My spirit is stronger than breast cancer.
I stand up to embrace myself and be proud of who I am.
I stand up to join the fight against cancer.
I will be proactive to check myself and remind others.
I stand up to use my voice to raise awareness.
I stand up to fight for a cancer-free world.
I invite you to make a difference.
Join us
on 23rd March 2019.
It's time to stand up for lives.
Stand up for lives.